Come here, Bobby. Good girl. Can you sit? Sit. High five. High five. Down. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Roll over. Come on. Come on. Roll over. Down. Down. Roll over. There we go. High five. You want to go in the car with me? Let's go. You want to go in the car? You ready? Let's go. All right, baby. I'll be right back. All right. You ready? You ready? Do you need to potty yet? Why don't you go potty really quick? Can you go potty? Come on. Go potty. Let's go, baby. Come on. Hop up. Nice job. Yeah, get in my seat right away, huh? Be a fun one today. She ain't coming, but we have to get her some dog food really quick. So I will get her that. And when I get that, I'll get these mics all put on and installed properly. And it's time for POV day. Maple, where's the good girl? What's up, baby? High five again. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Mics are up. And now we can go to Hollywood. Feed. Neighbor said hi to me. That's so nice. Hello. Well, let's do this. On the way to take the sports car to get some pet food. Guys, if you're wondering if Maple is her name, Maple can hold on when I drive fast, yeah, she can. In fact, look, I'm taking this corner pretty decently. Look, she just adjusts. She's good. See? Then I just let off the gas. She's pretty good. I trained her up pretty well because in the beginning it was, well, you don't really want to know how it was in the beginning. It was a pretty big disappointment is what it was. Alrighty, let's go. Come on. I think today I'm going to make another video, and I got my drone because, you know, I feel like I need to spice it up a little bit. You know, I'm in moods, you know what I mean? You're either in the mood to do something extra for a video or not. I mean, I'm too damn busy nowadays. And POV driving videos are pretty nice because, you know, you just do your thing and set up cameras, and really the biggest pain in the ass is just setting everything up and like learning it. Alrighty. Oh, that guy's hauling ass. Just watch my dog as she, you know, holds on here. Well, she's doing good. There you go. She got it. She got it. Oh, shit. What's up, dude? Good girl, baby. She's vibing out. High five. High five. High five. High five. Come on, high five. High five. Nice job. She still does it. She still does it, even if it's a little hard. Look at her go. Yeah. baby? What's up? What's up, Bobo? What are you thinking about? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. For those of you wondering, this is a purebred Pomeranian. She's about 4.5 or 5 pounds. So we train the living shit out of her because we have no kids, we have time, but 1 to 2 hours a day, spread out throughout the day. I mean, that was what we did. So. I feel like I gotta do one pull at least for this video because we're almost there. It's kind of a bumpy road, but let's give it a whirl. Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's bumpy. Sorry, Maple. Oh, God. Bang, this little van is bouncing around. Sorry, Maple. Oh man, that one was a little bit rough. All right, I promise, Maple, we'll be more chill now, okay? Yeah. All right. All right, where are we at? Hollywood feet. I've never been to this one before. Oh, I see it. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this little drive. It was great. It was fun. It wasn't as crazy, but I'll give you something crazy probably today. I don't know. The weather's shit, but at least it's not, rainy. I'm just kind of making these videos to also kind of get more experience on it because, you gotta make a few to get better at it. So, all right, guys. Thanks again. Peace. Bye, Maple. High five. High five. High five. Come on. Maple, high five. High five. Boom. She did it, guys. She did it. Yeah. Okay. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.